Okay, so this is the geometry of linear programming. So when we say geometry, yung iniisip agad natin, shapes, sizes, something like that. So truly, that geometry is the study that deals with the measurements, angles, points, lines, shapes or sizes, and many more. So a geometry of linear programming is a mathematical modeling technique in which a linear function is maximized or minimized when subjected to various constraints. So this technique has been useful for guiding quantitative decisions in business planning, engineering, science, and etc. So we have here an example. No? We have to maximize this one. So our given is P equals 40x plus 30y. So we subjected it into x plus 2y less than or equal to 16, x plus y less than or equal to 9, 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 24, and x and y less than or equal to 0. As you can remember, sinabi ko na if mag-graph tayo, if ilalagay na natin yung mga linear inequalities dun sa graph, we have to replace the symbols or the signs less than or equal to or greater than or equal to into equal sign. So the first step is to sketch the lines that correspond to the boundaries of the regions. So as is na na nagawa na natin yung graph, ito na yung mga location kung saan yung mga linear inequalities natin. So as you can see, na-locate na natin yung mga linear inequalities. So remember that you don't have to place the objective function on the graph because we are graphing only the constraints or the linear inequalities on this graph. So yun na nga, nakita na natin kung saan yun nakalocate. Then we are now going to shade, okay? So shading an inequality results in shading a half plane. For most of the inequalities that we have from linear programming problems, it is pretty easy to tell which direction to shade just by looking at the inequality. So madali lang natin makikita kung saan o dapat tayo mag-shade, and that is by looking the inequality. So yun na, meron na tayo mga linear inequalities. At saka, as is na shade na natin siya. As you can observe, si 3x plus 2y equals 24 at x plus 2y equals 16, nasa labas lang sila. So, wala kayong makikita nga shape dyan. Since we are talking about geometry kasi, no? Yung sinabi ko nga kanina, talks about shapes, points, something like that. Since atin siyang i-relate, no? Ang linear programming natin, i-relate natin kay geometry. Si 3x plus 2y equals 24 at x plus 2y equals 16, wala nga silang shape. Pero, kapag titignan nyo ulit dito sa graph, makikita nyo na si x plus y equals 9 at si x equals 0 and y equals 0 is, no? Meron kayong nakikita na shape, diba? No? Para silang nakakulong dyan in a shape. Okay? So, dun na pumasok si geometry of linear programming. So, kapag ating kunin yung si linear inequalities natin dyan na si x plus y equals 9 at si x equals 0 and y equals 0, dito sa left side ng graph, makikita nyo, naka-shape na siya. Okay? Ito na yung shaded part natin. Meron ng shape. So, always remember that we are just relating geometry and the linear programming. So, that would be all. Thank you.